Hey, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will back again, and I'm about to do an unboxing of this here Rayhaan's Terra. This is one of the newer ones, not the newest Rayhaan, but it's one of the newer ones. I think it's a clone of Outland. So let's check it out. All right, so back in. Let's check out Rayhaan's Terra. It's supposed to be a clone of Unwatch Outland. So I've never smelled that fragrance, so I'm just going to judge it on what I smell from the fragrance, not necessarily how close it is to the original. All right, so here's the box. Pretty basic box. It's kind of similar to the other Rayhaan boxes, except for obviously this one has a different colorway. It's green and gold, which is pretty cool. And let's see, I think this is probably a slip cover. Yeah, this is a slip cover. Reminds me of the crimson one, but the crimson one had I think it had a gold also, but the box was red. And let's see, let's go ahead and crack it open. Crack it open. Okay, pretty basic box, nothing special. And then here's the bottle. Pretty nice, pretty nice. This is, it feels kind of metallic, but I think it's plastic with like a metallic paint on it that gives it that kind of feel. The top is pretty plastic. It's really lightweight. So let's go ahead and jump in and smell what it's smelling like. Do you smell what the rock is cooking?
What the rock is cooking.
Ooh, that's a nice sprayer. Oh, that's spicy. That's spicy. That's nice. Oh, this is nice. This reminds me of something that I have though. Oh wow, this is nice. This is like a spicy, dry kind of vibe to it. It smells, I don't know what the original Outland smells like, but it smells kind of like a Middle Eastern. I need to go on skin because it's changing a lot on the strip, which means it's probably going to change a lot on skin. So let's see. Ooh, that's a nice sprayer. I don't remember the other Rayhaan bottles sprayer being that well. Yeah, I like that. Yes, it's spicy. Woo! Almost, it's tickling my nose a little bit, but the top, the top opening is really spicy. It's going to tickle your nose a little bit, get on those hairs. But now, as it cools down a little bit, this is nice. Like I said, it smells like a spicy. It kind of reminds me of like spices and mixed with like sand air. Not like sand air like a beach, but sand air like a desert sand, like really dry, but spices with it too. And when I say spices, I mean spices like cinnamon or nutmeg, spices like that. And I'm picking up a little bit of sweetness in the background too. Oh, I think I might like this. But it's definitely a winter fragrance. It's going to be, I'm not going to be able to wear it anytime soon unless I wear it at night, sometimes in the evening. But let me get the notes. I'm gonna wrap this up after I get the notes. Hold on a second. All right, so I'm back in and I got the notes for this. Man, this fragrance got a lot of notes. Terra, wow. You got a lot of personality. Um, wow. So the notes that I have for Terra, the top notes are cardamom, elamine, lemon, Szechuan pepper, and bergamot. That's for the top notes. The middle notes, we have patchouli, coriander, anise, cumin, saffron, orange blossom, wormwood, geranium, and rose. And then in the base notes, there is frankincense, vanilla, amber, benzoin, opopanax, oud, musk, labdanum, menthol, birch, and ambergris. That's a lot of stuff. A lot of notes. Okay, so yeah, all of these notes, I guess I get them, the patchouli, cumin, saffron, but I'm picking up more of a spicy, that Szechuan pepper, that might be the spiciness that I'm picking up, but it smells like it's like something sweet. Something sweet is in the background. Oh, maybe it's the amber that's coming up. But yeah, it smells good. I like it. I enjoy it. I haven't done a long wear. I don't know what the longevity of it is, but you know, because I'm just doing an unboxing, I'm just wanted to share with you guys. But I will wear this. Hopefully, if we get another cool day, I'll put it on and see how the wear is, see how it is, how it acts in the real world. But yeah, glad to have it in my collection. Appreciate it. And there it is, Terra by Rayhaan. All right. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me talking about Terra. She's a nice little girl. All right. Until next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.